It sucks making these kind of videos. 4 years. I've had this car for 4 years. My Boost Blue FK8 since 2021. I remember this exact date when I got this car, July 31st, 2021. Alright guys, so we're taking delivery of this 2021 Boost Blue Honda Civic Type R, and I'm really excited. They're about to roll it out. You got a Type R.
Yeah, you do.
You're gonna be seeing a lot more of this car on the channel, and I cannot wait. Well, 4 years later, here I am, gonna get rid of my FK8 Honda Civic Type R after 4 years, and it's obviously a tough decision. It's always a tough decision when I need to get rid of my cars, because my cars are really special to me. This car has been a huge part of the channel. Same with my FK7, and now we have the 11th gen Honda Civic FL1, and now I've decided it's time to move on, since, you know, there's other cars out there that I want to try out. It is now Thursday, and we're gonna go to the dealership on Saturday. So basically, I would have to put this car back to stock. And as you all know, I've done a lot to this car, including an intake, inlet pipe, strut bar, Mishimoto catch can, the expansion tank, just to name a few. There's also numerous sets of wheels that I've gone through, and yeah, carbon fiber steering wheel, titanium shift knob, and all that stuff. So I've gone through quite a lot of mods on the 10th gen Honda Civic platform, not only on just this car, but on the FK7 as well. This is probably going to be the last moments that I'm going to be spending time with the Type R, with all the mods and stuff. I'm going to be, you know, driving it around and all that. Pretty much just enjoying it for the very last time. I've driven this car for over 37,000 miles, so and I bought it with only 4 miles on the odometer, so yeah, I almost put 40,000 miles on this car. So yeah, it sucks, but I'm definitely gonna miss this car. Definitely gonna miss this car. So it's my final night with my FK8. It's currently, what time is it? Almost 1:20 in the morning. Just, you know, just sitting out here. The only thing I didn't do is the exhaust, because I don't feel like doing that. Plus I spent like 2 whole days putting this thing back to stock. Then I left this on because I don't want to have like sticker residue on the door handles. But yeah, I changed the wheels back to stock, took all the carbon stuff off. I am gonna leave this window deflector or rain guards or whatever you want to call it inside. I'm leaving the steering wheel because my Alcantara steering wheel, the stock steering wheel, is really dirty. And then I'm gonna leave the all-weather mats from last fit. So yeah, took my dash cam off, And yeah, I'm just sitting here, spending my last night with the FK8. We're gonna do one last final cold start on the FK8. Man, I'm definitely gonna miss this car. Last time the Type R is gonna leave the driveway.
Why are you crying? Are you happy or sad?
I have no idea. I'm both.
Aww.
Obviously, I'm both.
I mean, you can keep both cars, you know?
Can I?
No.
Okay. I love this car. But it's time to move on.
You should cry so that it could be viral.
Okay. Bye.
Cry.
Let's go. So we're about 0.3 miles from the dealership. You guys are going to see it in a little bit, but this is the last time I'll be driving the Type R officially. And then if you look over there, there's the dealership. This is
Turn left, then turn right.
the Chevy dealership. And we are trading it in for a Chevy, which you guys will see in a little bit.
Your destination is on the left.
And as you can see, we're at the Chevy dealership. That's because we're going to be trading this car in. It was a unfortunate decision that we have been thinking about since last year, actually. I was supposed to trade in this car for a different vehicle. But then I ended up changing my mind. But then I did a lot of thinking lately. And so I've decided this is the time. This is official. It's time to let go. I'm very happy that I got to experience this car. I've enjoyed this vehicle. Damn. I'm trying so hard not to cry. That's so lame. Time to say bye to my Type R. My Type R.
Ew. Papa.
Okay. Try not to cry. Last time getting out of the car. Okay, let's go. So, yeah, just tap my face so that it'll follow me. Ready? So we just got done signing the papers. Last time we're gonna be seeing the Type R, or at least me. Oh my God, I can't believe we're gonna get rid of her. Babe, remember when I first saw this, I was like, wow. Yeah. It's like I couldn't keep my eyes off of it. So this is an official goodbye to the Type R. All right, now it's time to look at the new car. Or I wouldn't say car, but let's look at the new vehicle. Oh no, my Type R! Oh my God! Oh, my Type R! Goodbye! My Type R. not too short, right?
No. It's actually good.
Oh, this is your first time seeing the car, truck, I mean. But yeah, this is right here. This is the new vehicle.
Sorry.
This is the new vehicle, the Chevy Colorado Z71. I forget what color it is. It's like a snowdrift metallic. But yeah, this is my wife's first time seeing the vehicle. And this is my first time driving this car because the last time I was here, I drove an orange one and I didn't like it. Well, the color at least, but I did like the truck. We'll do a full tour later. What? Did I just lock it? Oh. Okay then. Me and my truck. This is the new car, guys. Why am I so happy? I don't know.
Earlier you're just about to cry, now you're happy.
Damn.
Oh no, goodbye Type R.
Goodbye Type R. Hello, Chevy Colorado Z71. And then you guys will see more videos of this in the channel. But right now, we're gonna drive off the lot so that they don't think that we're weird. Okay, let's go. All right, first drive in the new truck. And we're also gonna be seeing the Type R as we leave the lot. So here we go. Brand new car, or truck. I keep saying car, whatever. You guys know what I mean. Anyways, focus on the Type R, baby. Oh, my Type R. No, my Type R. Goodbye. I'm sorry. I can't keep you. All right, guys, so that about wraps up this video. I'm gonna be having so much fun on my new truck. I'm definitely gonna miss the Type R, that's for sure. But like I said, it's time to move on. We've had this car for 4 years, drove it brand new, 40,000 miles, and we did a bunch of stuff to the Type R. But now we're gonna be moving on to the truck world. Who knows what kind of mods that I'll install on this. It's not a Tacoma, but it's a Colorado. You can still go off-roading, and the features that this car has is pretty much the same as the Tacoma, if not maybe more. But yeah, I'm excited to create new content on the channel. With this being my main car now, the Chevy Colorado Z71. Anyways, thank you all for watching. This is Chris Time, and peace out. All right, guys, so we're taking delivery of this 2021 Boost Blue Honda Civic Type R. This is the result of installing the exhaust. Wearing a white shirt is a bad idea. I am now at the meet, and as you can see, there's a lot of people behind me. There's actually a lot of Type Rs here as well. At the light we go! There you go. And just hammer this down, and your spring should release. So that is the stock spring. Okay, so installation complete. So as you can see right there, the whole thing is installed. I like how it has the Mission Motors logo on top. That's it, they're pretty tight. Just to make sure, I'm gonna hand tighten this. And now this is what it looks like. A lot better than last time. This fits a lot more. It's not 100%, but it fits, and I like it. Now that we have everything connected, got the 10 mil bolted back together, which is fine, you know. This still looks pretty nice. Titanium, look at that. Looks super nice. having this on like that with the titanium engine cover. Throw it on just like that. And you're gonna roll this. This tube goes here. This is nice and tight against your brake master cylinder. Once you verify that it's tight, you can either change your oil since you're already down here. Literally sleeping in front of my